Hello, my name is Mario Mata, and I'm going to talk through the latest additions to the high-order elements in Oasys Primer version 20. We've added some enhancements relative to high-order elements, which are more and more used nowadays. These elements have interpolation nodes, which produce much more accurate results without the need of making the element smaller. One of the enhancements is about mirroring. The LS-DYNA manual specifies the order in which the interpolation nodes of the elements must be. You can see some of the high-order elements in this picture. When mirroring these elements with Orient Reflect, the interpolation nodes ended up in the wrong order. Now, every time these elements are mirrored, the nodes get reordered, so they conform to the LS-DYNA manual, and therefore they will produce no warnings or errors. Another enhancement is about coating. In the past, high-order solids were always coated with first-order shells. The interpolation nodes were ignored and therefore not attached to the coating shell. Now it is possible to coat high-order solids using high-order shells. The interpolation nodes of the solids will be used as the defining nodes of the shells. There is a new option to choose between this new capability or to ignore the interpolation nodes and simply use a first-order shell per face of the solid, as it was in the past. When using this new option, it will also be possible in some cases to choose between small first-order shells or one big high-order shell per face of the solid. This can be better seen in the picture. Thank you.